Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. CM says ban on Sri Ram Sene to be extended. Vijai Sardessai demands invocation of Prevention of Unlawful Activities Act against Sene. Panji by-poll on 13th February, results on 16th. Model Code of Conduct in force across North Goa. Election Commission announces poll schedule. Mines and Mineral Ordinance to hit mining companies across the country. President may sign the order anytime. Goa awaits signed copy with bating breath. Goa government to set up rehabilitation and treatment centres for LGBT and drug addicts. To carry out detailed survey, state launches youth policy. And scheduling should be better, says India captain Sunil Chhetri. Bengaluru FC coach Ashley Westwood feels proud of his champion team. Dempo youngsters can improve, says coach Papas. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has said that ban on Sri Ram Sene will be extended. CM exclusively spoke to Prudent. Fatada MLA Vijai Sardessai says Prevention of Unlawful Activities Act should be invoked against Sri Ram Sene to ban them forever. PWD Minister refrained from commenting on the issue, claiming that the matter is sub judice.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has said government will extend ban on Sri Ram Sene for another 6 months. CM said notification will be issued with immediate effect. Sene was earlier banned in Goa by then Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar.
आज करता हूं परत तुम्ही लक्षात आणून दिले कोणीतरी प्रेसान माझ्या लक्षात आणून दिले त्यामुळे आज करूया डन है.
MLA Vijay Sardessai says Prevention of Unlawful Activities Act should be invoked to ban Sri Ram Sene.
Therefore, there is a need to invoke the Prevention of Unlawful Activities Act 1967. This is an act of parliament. They have to invoke this and petition the central government that this is an organization which is harmful for the state. This is against the interest of the state and therefore needs to be banned.
Though Sri Ram Sene is banned in Goa, their activities are on. PWD Minister Sudin Dhavadikar feels so. However, Sudin refrained from commenting further as Sene's ban matter is sub judice.
When anybody goes in the court, it is a court issue. So he went in the court. He has already filed a petition in the court saying that you cannot ban. So I don't want to say anything on that.
Court has not given any.
No, I don't know. I don't want to talk on it because it is a court issue now.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Panji will go for by-poll on 13th February. Results will be declared on 16th. 27 January is the last date for filing nominations. Panji seat has been vacant following resignation of former MLA Manohar Parrikar. Model Code of Conduct has come in force for North Goa from Monday. Election Commission has also announced the dates for Delhi Assembly election. The Delhi poll will be held on 7th February and counting on 10th February.
In Goa, number 11, Panaji. Schedule for by-elections will be as follows. Date of notification is 19th January, Monday. Last date of making nominations is 27th January, which is a Tuesday. Scrutiny of nominations on 28th January, which is Wednesday. Last date for withdrawal is 30th January, Friday. Date of poll is 13th February, which is Friday. A counting of votes on 16th February 2015. Date before which election process shall be completed is 18th February. Model Code of Conduct will be limited to district in which constituency is situated as per the standing instructions of the Commission. A date of poll the 7th February, Saturday. Date of counting, 10th February, Tuesday. Date before which election shall be completed, that is completion of election process is 12th February.
Meanwhile, government has accepted Election Commission direction to implement e-ballot voting for NRIs. NRIs will now be able to cast their vote from abroad during elections without flying back to India. Supreme Court has directed the government to make necessary provisions within 8 weeks. Government has appraised the apex court that it has approved e-ballot voting for the NRIs. Bureau Report, Prudent. The Union Government's ordinance to amend the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act of 1957 is likely to hit all the major mining companies in the country. Sources inform that President Pranab Mukherjee is yet to sign the ordinance. Till date, Goa government has renewed 31 mining leases to various mining companies. FEMI has called emergency meeting on 16 January to discuss the mining ordinance. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.